Okay, never have I ever kissed a celebrity.
Guys, I have never, but it's gonna happen soon. Davido, watch out. La!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna be doing like a Chinese mukbang. Everybody has their own plate, and we're going to be doing a never have I ever question tag. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell their grandmas and their, everybody. So yeah, we're going to introduce ourselves. My name is Bimbo.
My name is Olamide.
Right.
Okay, so now that you've met everybody, let's get started. So
can we first say what we got? Like the food we got.
okay, start right.
Yeah, I got chicken and shrimp fried rice. Yeah, with no shrimp. Wait, did I say no shrimp? With no broccoli or mushroom, and it's 4-star, like 4-star spicy. Yeah.
Alright guys, so me, I got fried rice and lo mein.
I have the DK fried rice. We got it from DK Express in St. Cloud, Minnesota. So yeah, I usually get the DK fried rice with no veggies. Yeah.
Alright, so today we are going to be doing never have I ever.
Okay, so the first question is, never have I ever experimented to see my sexual orientation?
I've never.
Never.
You guys have never?
No.
I think so too.
Okay.
No, I've actually done it before. Wait, what am I saying?
Have you ever or you've never?
So experiment to see my sexual orientation?
Yeah, to know. I mean, how did you know you were?
I mean, that one, yeah, I did.
Okay.
I've done it before.
So next question. Never have I said I love you just to get laid.
Never.
Never.
I don't think I've done that before. I don't remember.
You don't remember or you've never?
I don't remember. But
So there's a possibility you are.
I don't know. I think I refuse to answer.
I plead the fifth.
Okay, never have I ever spied on my neighbors.
Never. No, never.
I have actually did when I was like age 12. I had this neighbor that was having a crush on one of them, and the person had the girlfriend, doing their stuff, and I went to peek through the window to look how he does it, how big, how whatever it is. So I've done it before.
I've never.
When I was like 12 years old. I got caught. So.
You're a terrible spy. Okay, never have I ever doubted in my heterosexuality. Well, never.
Wow.
Never.
I have always doubted.
My friends always think that I might be bisexual. I don't know why, but yeah.
Actually, someone said that to me before that I might be bisexual, but I'm not.
I don't think Ola is.
What about me?
I don't know. That one. We have to find you.
Never have I ever made fun of someone.
Oh.
Guys, there's no perfect person in this world, so let me just get that out first. I have.
A lot. Every day.
I have every day. When I go out of my house, there's always someone to make fun of. It's not my fault. People just do crazy shit.
Yeah, watch the previous video, you see how many times some people were made fun of. Next question.
You don't even know what is gonna go first.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I didn't even know what I'm talking about, but anyway.
Never have I ever stole something with a higher value than $10.
Okay.
First of all, stealing is wrong. Okay, don't do drugs, kids.
I have done it before.
Of course you have.
I think I have too. But then I won't call it stealing. I'll call it appropriating.
Oh. Okay.
I won't call it stealing. I took it.
With permission?
Appropriation
owner.
does not include permission. Okay.
I mean, I'm trying.
Appropriation is stealing, but with a fancier term for stealing. Yeah. I've never.
I have.
I have, guys.
My bad.
Never have I stalked an ex's boyfriend or girlfriend on social media.
No. No, once I call you out of my life, you're gone, including your mom, your dad, your siblings, and your current.
I have. Remember, how about you?
I really don't give a shit because I just have one ex, so there's no point. No, I have not.
No.
I didn't even care enough to actually find out who he's dating. So,
Wow.
but
No,
can
go and dig your
can
grave.
anybody do better than this?
I'll dig a grave and find out how you're doing in the afterlife.
Don't date brides.
Date someone else there.
Public service announcement. Run for your life.
Why are you running?
Never ever lie to a friend to avoid a greater evil. What the fuck does that even mean?
White lies.
Oh.
I mean, I lie a lot. Especially because I don't want people to know certain things. So I would lie to them to cover up certain things. So
The only time I lie, my only lie is I'll not even tell them about anything. So I'll not say anything, I'll not lie about it. I'll just not say anything.
Mine, I will lie just to avoid any sort of conflict. If I know this
Brian
person,
lies a lot.
if I know this person can't handle what I'm gonna say and like they're gonna best out, why
Best
tell them?
out?
You know, it doesn't make sense. Bust out, Tatiana. Why tell them? You know, it doesn't make sense. So yeah, I lie. I don't want to admit.
Never have I ever cheated on a test.
Shout out to my home country. I was pleaded with to cheat. So I have to.
I'm going to pass on that question because
Okay.
I don't remember doing such evil things.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Never have I ever fallen in love with anybody through the network. Not me. I'm not even on the network.
Like
You mean like social media?
Yeah, like dating apps and shit.
Guys,
I have my current partner was through social media. Wait, did I say current partner?
do you have a current partner?
I'll pass on that question. It's not personal. It's too personal, so.
You just said your current
really
partner.
Bitch.
Anyways, guys, let me answer that question. For some unfortunate reason, people online are way more attracted to me than not like damn people in real life. It's just where I live. Unfortunately, they are not good people, or like people that have good eyes. You know what I mean?
Same club.
So unfortunately, there's a lot of people online that be trying to get me. So unfortunately, I have also dated people.
Did you even meet them in person?
Yeah. Oh hell yeah.
Oh hell no. I don't even accept their message requests. Not to talk of actually talk to them.
I actually
don't know.
dated someone once, and then I ended up meeting the person in real life,
And
and then I broke up with the person.
Wow.
Because I realized
It was too good to be true, and they were just
no, they were catfishing me with their
ding dong.
no, actually not their ding dong. Ew.
What
With
ding
their
dong?
height.
Oh!
I'm short. 5'3".
Okay, you know what? For the sake of whether they watch this video or not, I do not know.
Well, they have to
I
know
was-
their short now, so that they'll go and work on it.
Okay, I'm not going to be the solo.
Work on their shortness? How?
Date short people. They never have I ever kissed an animal. No
Yeah,
comment.
yeah.
I have not kissed any animal.
The dog,
That dog in the house never kissed me.
but licks your face.
I mean,
Your
yeah,
mouth.
face is
That's
not
kissing.
kissing.
That's kissing. That's how animals kiss. Would they pucker up and
I mean, it was waking me up in the morning.
Yeah, but it's still kissing
still
your
part of
face.
it, bitch?
Something a partner will never do. Anyway,
Never have I ever used the bathroom in complete darkness.
Oh, that's the best way to use it. Oh my god. My favorite artist can actually not be in the bathroom with light on. Davido. That's his greatest fear. It cannot be in the bathroom with light on.
how the fuck do you see your nash to clean it?
Okay, we're not gonna get that in total.
Disgusting.
But
Okay. Never have I ever given someone a black eye.
I got it from my mom several times though.
Ooh, highlight. Sorry, I just picked my highlight. Never have I ever gotten drunk playing games like this.
never.
You guys have never played Never Have I Ever Drunk version? Really?
I don't get drunk. I don't know why. No matter how much I drink.
Really?
I don't think it goes
never.
into your limit.
But I've played drunk Uno before. Oh, it's crazy good. Like really. Yeah.
I want to do that stuff. I want to get drunk. I just don't get drunk.
That's weird. Let's try it one of these days. On my 21st birthday.
Never have I ever been trapped in an elevator. No, that's my greatest fear.
Oh my god.
I fucking hate that shit. No.
Nah.
It was for a brief moment. During summer camp with the kids. Oh, they were crying.
Oh yeah, I remember you. Yeah, I remember that thing. You mentioned it.
But then I wasn't scared. I don't know why people freak out about elevators, but I really wasn't scared. Yeah.
Never have I ever dyed my hair the wrong color. Oh,
I'll let the right person answer that question. I have never, guys, by the way.
I have never.
Right.
No.
Bitch!
You currently have the wrong color.
I was trying to get platinum blonde and it ended up being golden blonde.
The part the light is hitting is actually platinum blonde.
Yeah, the lighting makes it look different.
So
then
now
you
we
also
can
look
everyone know the
bald.
reason lightning. This is how I wake up every day with light on my face, baby.
Okay, bitch, we see you. Never have I ever killed a pet by accident. I don't even try.
I did.
Oh, okay.
When I was young, it was a duck. A duck with the kids. And then I was chasing one of them and the car ran over it. The way the mom chased my life. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I killed a fish. Like when I was growing up, we used to have like an aquarium. Like our old house. I don't think people is aware of this.
I remember.
But like my dad traveled. Actually, my parents traveled with like my little sibling, and my big brother was in the hostel, and my big sister was also in the hostel. For some reason, I was the only person at home with like cousins and stuff. And then by the time my dad came back, I kept forgetting to feed the fish. And whenever I would like feed them, I want to make up for the times I didn't feed them, so I would give them too much food. So they died, and I felt really bad.
At least they died happy
Yeah.
and surrounded by food.
Never. How about you?
Never. Never have I ever kissed a stranger. It's disgusting. They can have coronavirus.
I have, but it was on the neck.
Up close and personal.
Have you kissed somebody before? Like a stranger?
No. I don't even like kissing people, guys. I think that's the most intimate level of anything. I don't know why. I don't let people kiss me like that.
But I wake up with kisses every day.
Right.
Never have I ever taken a sexy selfie. I have.
A sexy selfie?
All my selfies are sexy.
Okay.
Yeah, some of us didn't go to the extreme.
I don't even know what you're
I
saying.
don't know. Never have I ever done it in the sea.
Oh hell no! What the fuck? In the sea? Why are you dating my water? Yo, I need a break.
Right.
Give me a break. What?
You finished? How did you finish your
I
food
finished my
already?
food already. This both think I'm playing.
Never have I ever watched a friend do it.
Ugh. The friend
No.
do it.
I'm sorry, but like, I'm not
No.
that kind of friend. I'm not even the kind of friend you want to talk to about stuff like that, to be honest. I'm too judgmental.
True. We know that.
Yeah, I'm not even pay attention to the goats in the building.
Yep, animal.
Never have I ever cheated.
I won't call it cheating. I'll call it realizing that I deserve better and I went for better.
While being
Period.
in the same relationship.
Huh?
While you were in a relationship with someone else.
Yeah, but then
That's
that's
shit, sis.
Mine, it's when I'm not getting what I want, when I'm not satisfied. Maybe I find it. That's it. But I don't know if I've cheated before.
Oh, you are, right? You don't need the pastor.
Yeah. Bimbo, how about you?
What?
You didn't answer. Have
What's the
you cheated
question?
before?
No.
Oh,
No.
Bimbo cheats
every day.
consciously.
She
How?
does it. Subconsciously. Every
Oh,
day.
somebody, no.
Mm.
I'm not done. I didn't go have a celebrity crush.
I'm done.
How did celebrity crush get into this?
Because some people consider it cheating when you are, obsessed with fantasizing with a celebrity or something like that. I don't know.
No.
It doesn't count.
No, nothing count.
Never
Otherwise,
have I
then I'm
ever-
married to Davido.
Never have I ever slept with someone within an hour of meeting them, bitch, you're a hoe.
No. Ladies, please stop. You deserve so much better.
Oh, yeah, we do deserve so much better.
Okay. Okay, so we
Did
are
you say 1 hour? Maybe 30 seconds.
Paulina. Paulina.
Yo.
I hope you're happy with yourself.
Oh yeah, I'm really satisfied with myself.
And you're saying you don't kiss people that you just met? Of course you do.
Oh, not kiss. That is too much. Just do the job and go.
Okay, guys. Next question. It's clear.
Never have I ever skinny dipped.
No.
What's that?
Swimming naked.
Oh hell no. Your pubic hair will all falling down.
Why is that what you're worried about? Like you're not worried about like
Peeing in the pool.
Yeah, like.
But
And
people
doing
do-
it in the
Remember
pool.
during summer camp that the kids pooped in the pool?
Oh yeah. People wear underwear and still pee in the pool. I've
That's
done
what
it
I'm
before.
Ew, you're disgusting.
After that, just get out. The rest of it. I'm not staying in my own pee.
Because of how my mind works. Like I cannot even be in the pool at all. Because like I've imagined every worst possible thing happening in the pool.
Yeah.
That's why I don't know how to swim, guys. Except like it's fresh. Like that's why I want to have my own pool. Then I'll get my own personal swimming instructor or whatever. But like right now, I don't know how to swim.
Okay, never have I ever kissed a celebrity.
Guys, I have never, but it's gonna happen soon. Davido, watch out. La!
Choma.
Shama is lover, not our lover. So I can still get the love I want.
But you said
I'm joking. I don't like celebrity. I cannot be in a public relationship.
Yeah.
My life is way too private. I'm so secretive. I cannot bring myself to even being with a celebrity. So no, I never.
We'll see when Davido shows up today.
Actually, never. No. Anybody that knows me well will know I would never even kiss Davido.
Okay, never have I ever been to 2 or more nightclubs in one night. I have. What? On the island. We go from places to places, back to back. You know?
Mine was parties, house parties.
I actually have. I don't know why I looked at you like that, but like my friend's birthday, we started off at like a bar and then we said it wasn't lit enough. So I went to another bar. So yeah.
Cool. Good for you guys.
Never have I ever smoked any substance.
Well,
Why are you running? Why are you running?
someone actually made me smoke a cigarette once. And that was when I realized I would never ever smoke a cigarette in my life. Because
Never
it
make
was
friends with
just
people like that. How about
yeah, the person actually made me like literally hold up there, try it. And I'm like, oh, okay, I don't want to be like the odd one out of everyone. So I'm like,
Wow. Fair pressure, guys.
I almost lost my life, guys. if not for God, today would have been the remembrance day. So never again.
Wow.
But then we would not have been able to find. Oh yeah, we would have. Oh
Yeah.
wow, I'm sorry. Okay, never have I ever overdrafted my bank account.
Oh, some people's talent, secretly hidden talents we forgot to say.
Okay, what are the people?
You know.
No, that could never be me.
Oh, we know them. Some people will do it and then they'll call their banks.
Okay, I think we're talking about two different things. I don't spend money I don't have.
Okay, yeah. But then you have had overdraft charges too, even though you done it on purpose. Nobody wants to spend the money they don't have.
No. You guys don't understand. Even once Ogo does it to you all the time. Like, you would think you have money there. Because they take out the money late. So, like, by the time they take it out, it would reflect as overdraft. But then it's not because you really wanted to have overdraft. But moving on. You have to. So why you still called them 2 days ago or 3 days ago?
That's only that time I called them for the overdraft.
Okay, well, you have called them. Let's keep it moving.
Never have I ever been nude in a public place before.
I know who has been though. Brian got so drunk when they took off his clothes. They were pushing him on the club. You were saying who? You. When you got drunk, they said your friends had to slap.
Oh yeah, and I was running around Colon Plaza like on the streets, naked, half naked. But yeah, I mean, even in high school, I went to boarding school. We take showers in the bathroom, so I've done that before. It's like,
but that's still like 4 walls covering your.
But still, boys. No, it wasn't like that. It was anyway.
You guys take a shower outside in your boarding school?
No, it's a big room with no walls.
It's still a room. It's not in public. The fact.
Oh, the fact that another boy is seeing me is public.
Okay, fine.
I'm done. It's like the fact that. Yo, you guys.
Never have I ever thought a friend's baby was ugly.
Okay, we're not going to speak on this because I don't have a child yet. But all I know is God will forgive me before He gives me my child.
Yo! Hola. Anyway, that's all I can say. Hola.
God! Please forgive me.
Every 2 seconds. And Bimbo is the worst. I'm sorry. Anyway,
I don't comment on babies.
Yeah. Okay.
Can we keep it moving?
Never have I ever been awake for 24 hours straight or more.
All the time.
I have.
Been awake for 24. 31st night, all night service. Yes.
You guys, why does too much?
All night church services. Yeah.
Never have I ever had a wardrobe malfunction.
I have. Even right now. I'm joking, but like I have a lot.
Do I even have a wardrobe? Anyway.
You know what?
Your whole life is a wardrobe malfunction. Okay, guys.
Okay.
This is where the video comes to an end.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with us through this journey. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and everybody. Subscribe.
Stay safe. Corona is real.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.
Stay away from coronavirus, people.
Let me know if you guys want me back on the channel. I know you do.
I know you all do. Want some blonde. You're all welcome.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy.